Welcome to the G&J Professional Building. We are on the 4th floor, and I'm going to show you this commercial space. They're asking $1,500 a month with everything included. It's great for any type of office that you're looking to put in this building. We do have an elevator, and it is also handicap accessible. So I'm going to take you into the first office space. There's a total of 5 on this floor. Very spacious, plenty of room for file cabinets, desks, anything that you need for your business. I'm going to take you across the hall, and this would be great for a reception area or another office space. Very roomy, again, big size desk that does fit in here. Plenty of space for the great business that you have. I'm gonna take you into what they set up as a conference room, but it can also be another office. Great window, sunlight that comes through all day. It's a great space. And the next room that I'm gonna take you in is the biggest, and there is a connecting office in here. So this, I would say, would be the boss's office. It is the biggest, and the boss deserves the biggest office. And through here, if the boss had a secretary, this would be their office. Closet space, window, nice and bright. If you're looking to start a new business or move your business, the 4th floor location is great. And if you're interested in renting this space on the 4th floor of the G&J building, please go into and schedule your showing at investinfallriver.com. Thank you.